Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft the inflatable wheelchair in Heartopia Color of Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to unlock the recipe. You can go to the Wheel Canyon and there will be a menu that show you the Call of Wheels event, and you need to reach, if I'm not mistaken, level 3 to get the recipe. Once you unlock the recipe, you can go to your workbench and then you're going to scroll down. Then you're going to choose this recipe. Hold on. Okay, the inflatable wheelchair. And then you need ore, roaming oak timber, and also pearl to craft this furniture. Okay, I've just made the inflatable wheel chair. This is how the chair looks like. Oh, that's super cute. Don't forget to claim the recipe through the Call of Wheels event menu. You can only open the menu when you're at the Willful Canyon. Okay guys, and that's how we can craft the inflatable wheelchair in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!